Right. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my page. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffin. It's time to move because we're in 2025 and we must move very fast and move with a lot of speed. Right. I'm back again with another video. I want to podcast something. I would like to podcast something right now. Trabablas interchange in Harare, Zimbabwe. Trabablas interchange in Harare, Zimbabwe came and is gone. It came and it's gone. So what's next for the Zimbabwean government? What is coming next for the Zimbabwean government? I got a good question. I got $1 billion or $1 million question for the Zimbabwean government in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. What is coming next for the government? What's going to happen next for the government of Zimbabwe? What is the next development to come? What is the next project to come? What is the next work to be done by the Zim government? I want to know. I want to understand. I'm looking forward to the next project. I'm looking forward to the next development by the country of Zimbabwe through its government as led by President Emmerson D. Mnangagwa and his deputy president in this country, Zimbabwe. So this is my video today. I'm asking the Zim government, Zimbabwean authorities, what is the next project? What is the next development? What is the next work to be done in this country? Is it roads? Is it hospitals? Is it clinics? What is the next project on board? The next project to be done? The next project to be worked on by the government as far as social, economic, and political development of the country is concerned? Socially, politically, economically, in terms of our progress as a country, in terms of our development as a country, in terms of our progression, growth, and progression as a nation, as a country, in this Zimbabwe. So, if you're watching this video and you're hearing this big question, $1 billion question, $1 million question, and you want to join the conversation, you want to join the dialogue, type or write in the comment section. What do you think is the next project to be done by the government? What do you think is the next project, next development to be worked on by the government? Join the conversation, join the dialogue, typing, writing in the comment section. I'll check them out, your comments. I'll attend to your comments. I'll peruse, I'll browse, I'll read, or maybe I'll study your comments. Every comment is very important. No comment is small, no comment is big. They have equal value, equal importance, equal significance, equal weight to me. So what do you think is the next project? What do you think is the next development that the government of Zimbabwe must do, that the government of Zimbabwe must work on, must focus their efforts after the Trabablas interchange? Is it roads or clinics, hospital or primary schools? Maybe in terms of having more primary schools in Zimbabwe, because there are some areas without primary schools. There are some areas in Zimbabwe, places, areas, cities without enough secondary schools, enough high schools. What do you think? What do you say? Type or write in the comment section. I'll check them out. But whatever way, we want development in this country, socially, politically, economically, social, economic, and political progress and development in this country. So what's the next project? What's the next development by this government? Type, write your comments in the comment section. I'll check them out. I'm done talking. Peace and sharp.